Hello. After the trip this morning, we went to the fresh market, local market to buy the coconut for my coconut cake. So this is our breakfast. So we stopped at our favorite restaurant. This one is called Khao Soi Samerjai, which is, we'll love this place. We like the khao soi, it tastes really yummy. So we ordered the khao soi beef. You see, khao soi with beef. It looks yummy, isn't it? Yum. And this is pickled cabbage and shallot to eat with the khao soi. And it had this is a pork satay, peanut sauce, and achar, the cucumber pickle. And this one, spicy young jackfruit, local style. You know this one, I love the young jackfruit and dry chili on top. Fried wonton and fish cake. This is plum sauce, khao soi beef, iced coffee, black iced coffee. I was starving. I'm still starving and I'm hungry and I order everything. Look, I have khao soi, I have variety. Oh boy. But I'm gonna eat them all. Yummy! Would you like to share? You wanna join us? If I can share you food, I would.